Logged in, huh? I think you can share my, you can see my screen, right? Yeah.
Sir, just a minute.
This is the table, right? SC11, through SC11 we created a table, huh? SC11. Okay. SC11 will be having access to create a table, so modify the tables of our custom tables, so only for the developers access here. The developers. Who is the developers? Who is the developers?
We are just a users, sir. We are not developers.
No, no, no. We are the developers.
Developers like
Developers, we are the
one.
users for the website, I said, right? IRTC or KSRTC and all. If you go to,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
will
yeah,
be
sir.
the, because in ABAP, you are the developer. User is the client people who is going to use your application, your programs, your tables and all. Okay, na?
They are
So
called end
this,
users, right?
no, they are the end users. They are the end users. We are the end users for the website. For example, if you go on to website, okay, KSRTC, for example, right? To this website for ticket booking from Bangalore, to ticket booking for KSRTC, we are the users. We are not the developers. Developers are the people who has developed this backend website. Clear? Whereas in SAP, you are the developer because you are the programmer who will develop this type of applications, not for websites, for industry applications. Okay. SC11. Okay. For users, okay, they cannot access the SC11 for inserting the data. Users will access through SM30. This is SM30. Through SM30, user will access SM30. And then data will go to into SAP database tables. Through SM30, all CRUD operations you can do. What is the CRUD operations? It is general, I think. CRUD operations.
Like we can first we create, read, and
create CRUD operations is all CRUD. Okay. Create, okay, read,
utilize and delete.
create,
Yeah, sir.
delete records. All this is possible through SM30 manually by the user. We can do all the below operations through this T code. Clear? Not through SM30. Sorry, SC11. SC11 will not be able to access by the developers and SAP functional people. Only for the ABAP people. Clear? This is clear what we are doing. Right? So,
Yeah.
not clear, right? What
Yeah,
exact,
okay,
why, I mean, what is the important thing that is required to insert the data? Suppose you want to insert the data through SM30. What is the important thing that should have been done for the table? It is called TMZ. TMZ is must. TMZ means table maintenance generator. It's the interview question. It's a table maintenance generator. Maintenance. Okay. Table maintenance generator. Once you create a table maintenance generator, what system will do is system will create a screen and backend program. This is screens. So we have done yesterday a class screen 100 and screen 200. Two screens we have done, two step here. Screen 200. Okay. If it is a two step, we'll see the practical again now today. Okay. So through this screen, right, user will access the data. This will be part of your SM30 here. The user can manipulate the data as per the requirement. This is the user here. Clear? So let us get into the SAP system here. So I can also create quickly one new table today, no problem. You can do it parallel with me. Go to S11. We will create one new table. So Z, why it is important Z or Y? Why we have given Z or Y?
Like they are custom tables that were created by
Custom tables which are not given by SAP. Custom means which are not given by SAP. Okay. Say material information. Click on create. So material information data. Short description. Right? What is the purpose of the short description?
ఫోన్ స్లోగా ఉంది కలర్ కూడా చేంజ్ అయింది అని అదే వెళ్ళి
What is the use of the short description? What is the purpose of this?
Sir, it allows us to understand the information more easily.
So it tells that what is the purpose of the table, what information you are storing. This should be very meaningful. You should not give here any X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D and all. Okay, na? This should reflect what you are going to do in this table. What is delivery class here? What we should do? Which one we should choose, A or C or what?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
A. Why A?
Because that most of the data was stored in master and transactions data in SAP.
Type of the data. Type of the data is master and transaction data. What we are going to create. Hence, we are choose the A. We have discussed detail already. What is the master data? What is the transaction data? What is the customizing data? In the earlier videos, classes. You can go through it if you want. But then later I'll give it to you. Okay, no? And here what you should do? Maintain server so that you can insert the data. Go to the fields. Okay, if you want, you can save it now. Ask the package. What is the purpose of the package?
To save all our programs, what we
Like a
have
folder. Like a folder. It will save all our programs, tables, everything, so that we can move your task objects, programs from one system to other system. This also we discussed very clearly in the last sessions. We have done. I choose the existing package. Click on save. What is this one? Transport request, right? This is the flow. This is the flow, right? This is under the packaging. Package will enable to create a transport request. Transport request is going to store under the transport request. You are going to store your tables programs under here. Table programs all data elements domains all. This is the flow. Clear? Hello? All right. If we enter here, it will create it won't create a new transport. It will use the existing transport. Okay. If you click on create, it will create a new transport request. So I don't want to create a new transport request. I want to save this table in the same transport request. Press enter here. Done. Now go to here. First field MADT. What the first field signify? For the purpose of first field? What is the purpose of first field? You assume my skin, right? What is the purpose of first field? Why we need to take MANDT? This will signify the data is which client the data has been entered. Client login client this one here, because data is client specific here. Well, you log in, give the client number right here. This client. Okay.
It separates the client.
Not separates. It will signify the client number in which client the data you have entered. Okay. So maybe next class you just remind me later. I'll take one more ID to make you clear about the what is this exactly. I will explain. For one day I'll take the access. Right now here MANDT. What is this one? What is this? What is this? This is the field. What is this one? Data element. What is the purpose of data element exactly? What is the purpose of data element? We did already last class. Data element will give the data type to the table field. So maybe seasons net issue. Okay. Right? This is the flow. To this field, this is the field. You are going to give the data type using the data element. This is the data element here. It will specify the data type. This one. Okay. And this data element you can use for multiple fields data type. Field 1 here. Okay. Field 2. Like this. It is just global data type, you can say. Global data type. Okay. Go to here. Data type. Next to MATNR, material number. What is that key flag we are giving? What is the primary key? What is the purpose of primary key? We did already last classes.
It tells us the data is unique.
In a queue with that combination.
Yes.
This flag is initial values to store based on the data type. This flag, this call. This you'll understand later when we start the programming. I'll give more clarity. This flag, this MATKL, MEAMS. Save it now. Okay. So how many fields are there in this table? How many fields?
Total 5 fields.
Correct. Very good. 5 fields. How many columns? How many columns? 5 columns, nothing but, right? When you go to table. Next to technical settings. This is standard data elements. How do you know? Double click here. This is standard SAP created. Because not starting with Z, SAP has provided this. Okay. Technical settings. Data class. What is the purpose of data class? Again, the physical storage of the data in the database. So this will store in one specific place when you choose the APPL0 because it's the master data, metals data. So this we discussed already. Size category also will store this many number of records. Suppose if you don't know what is this one, how do you get that help for this one? You want to understand what is size category. How do you do that?
Can you
How do you
repeat
get the documentation for this? Documentation. By pressing F1, right? I told, right? If you press F1 now, okay, function F1, you'll get a documentation, inbuilt documentation, purpose of that field, what it contains. You can get more details here. Here you can get here. This is simple definition. Again, if you click here, you'll get more detailed information like this. It goes to SAP inbuilt documentation. This is SAP inbuilt documentation. Okay. Save it now. Back. Activate now. Okay. So now you can't insert this table. User cannot insert the data into this table through SM30. I'll try. Go to here. Go to SM30 / OSM30. Copy this. Click on edit. See what is that saying? Try to read this. What it's saying?
So we have to go to the maintenance generator, like in system.
Oh. So we have not created it EMC. Right? We have to create it implementation generator. Go to here. It's saying that you are not created. Dialog is not created. Go to here. Utilities. Table maintenance generator. Okay. Copy paste the table name. System will generate this function group automatically. Function group topic we have not started. We will start later. For now, understood that system will generate with this name one function group. Okay. This is authorization group. Who can access the records? If we give ampersand NC ampersand means without authorization, anyone can insert the data. Okay. So 2 steps we are doing. 1 step we homework for you. You do it. Okay, na? I'll give screen number 100, 200. Okay, now the moment I'll click on this create button. Okay. The moment I click on create button, okay, what do is once you click this create button, system will generate this program under this program, these 2 screens, so that you can insert the data into the table through SM30. Once we click on create button, the system will generate a program and 2 screens so that we can enter the data into this custom table using SM30. Clear? Clear? Hello? Concept clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
The class group I'll give. Okay. I'll click on create button. Because why it is asking the package is system is going to generate the screen numbers and the program that should be saved under this transport package and transport request. Save it here. Enter. Enter. Save again. Now system is generating here. Screens and programs. Okay, now you can go to here. You can insert the data through SM30. Click on edit here. I am in SM30. You can insert the data. Go to new entries. So material number 100. Raw material. Okay. Raw material. Material group. You can choose some material group from the draw search help. This is called a search help in ABAP, SAP. Searching option. This is also part of ABAP. We'll see in the maybe after 1 or 2 classes how to do that. I can give the units of measure as kg. Now the moment I click on save, data will insert into the table. This flow. SM30. You are inserting the data. Data will go and sit in the database table. This is the table. Table. So data will go and sit in the database table here. Through the screen here, like this. Okay. Save it now. So one record is saved now. What is this screen number? You can see. Go to system, status. Screen number 200 we have given. Okay, 100 also we'll see what is the 100 screen. Now go back. Click on back. See now, this is screen number 100. How do you know? Go to system, status here. Screen number 100 here. Existing records will show in the screen number 100. New records will be entered in the screen number 200. Click on new entries. Now new screen. Screen number 200. Material number 200. I can give some other value. Click on save. So 2 records is saved. Click on back. Right? Back. Edit. You see 2 records. You can check it these records in Mora table directly. Sorry. In SC11 also directly here. Go to here. Click on back. Click contents. Number of entries, 2 records. Click on execute, 2 records. First record, second record. Clear? So you can do all CRUD operations. That means create, update, delete here. Go to here. Right? Suppose you want to delete this record. You can delete this one using this button. Deleted. Now only one record only. You can check it here. Only one record. Go to here, check it here. Only one record. That means we have done deletion. So all CRUD operations, if you want to modify this, you can modify. You can check some other value. Save it now. Right? So you can insert the data, modify, delete data. Clear? Any questions here? So what I do is quickly, I'll give a small task, do it now only. Okay, na? Create a table ZBBAK. Create a table, new table ZBBAK. Inside this table, take field names MANDT. Okay, VBELN. Okay, open the table, VBAK table. Parallel. Right, VBLN. These are not much important. We use every day. That's why I'm not. I'll use some other VBTYP. These three fields. With these fields, okay. With these fields, create a table. With these fields, create a table. Create a TMZ and insert 5 records. How do you insert the 5 records? Take the example from Marathi VBAK table and insert the records. Can you do it? So I will do here. Now only do it. Create the ZVBAK table with the above fields and create a TMG and insert 5 records through SM30. Take the data reference from BBAK table and fields data element information also take it from VBAK table. Clear? Hello? Let us do it. I'll go 10 minutes time, 15 minutes, I'll start the timer. Do this one. If you want, I can give that link also, what is that YouTube live is going on. You can watch as well. The steps what I have done. This we have done already last class also same. Check it. I give the YouTube link as well. I can paste in the chat window also. I'll wait. Okay, now. I give the chat window also. Do it. Okay, I'll give 15 minutes. Okay, started.
I'll see if this person is available.
Understood, right? What do you have to do? You have to create a table, data elements. No need to create data elements. Copy paste from the standard table. So Narendra, you are doing right.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, could you please explain again, sir? My laptop was disconnected and
So check it the WhatsApp group. I put that message. What you should do? You should create a table with those fields. and create a TMC and insert the data. Check it in the group and also in this chart window. So now you want to insert this. So same way do for other tables also. EKKO, EKPO. Last time I given, right? Create two more tables. ZBB, AP, Z, EKKO, Z, EKPO. Take at least 5 fields from the standard table. You do the homework, okay? Na? Also this one, like pinged you, so that you'll be familiar with all this table creation, data elements also better you create it, okay? Na?